Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Shoe Game. And today I'm doing an unboxing. I just got these. Besides trying them on just to make sure they fit, I haven't really worn them like out. So I want to do an unboxing. So this is my first collab shoe that I got. It's the Billie Eillish Jordan 1s. They're called if you look up Billie Eilish Jordan 1s, but they're called either Vault or Ghost Green or the AJKO. So the box, Billie Eilish, and then the paper is the Jordan symbol with Billie Eilish. Now, this is a woman's shoe, so I had to look for a size. So a size in Nike or Jordan, men's size to women's size is a size and a half. So I wear a size 12 normally. So in women's shoes, I wear 13 and a half. In terms of pricing, so these retail for $170, right? And they came out September 30th, 2020. So a little less than 4 months ago. So fairly new. And a size 13 and a half is going for $240 resale, but a size 13, which is an 11 and a half in men's, is only like $158 or like $160. So depending on your shoe size, you can get them under retail. I'm not sure why it's like that. But then if you go down to a size 12 and a half or size 11 in men's, it's back up to like $250 of resale. So these are actually 11 and a half in men's because I wanted to get them. I can fit 11 and a half. It's a little tighter, but it's still not too tight where it's uncomfortable. So I can do 11 and a half, 12. Some of them I can do 11s, but it depends. I have to try those on. So I ordered them online through GOAT. Got them verified. They're authentic. But as you can tell, they're a very loud color. And I like loud colors when it comes to my shoes. It's like a neon type, like lime green, sort of. They did come with alternate laces. So I was telling y'all a couple episodes ago, I think, that if I ever get alternate laces, I put it on the right shoe. Well, these are the alternate laces. It's like a blue, orange, and like a tan or like a cream tan-ish looking color. And I didn't really, these colors don't really fit the shoe to have this neon color. So I decided to keep the original laces because I wanted one loud, solid color. So to me, it didn't fit the shoe to go with the alternate lace. So we're rocking with the normal solid color. And I wanted a pair of shoes that's just one solid color that'll pop. So if I wear all black, these will really, really pop. But I like them. They're comfortable. You know, the women's shoes, they're cut a little different. I can tell the difference, the way they're cut. But they're still comfortable. So I can still rock these and walk around normally if I needed to. I won't be hurting my feet. But here you go, just one solid color. The inside's kind of cool because, is that upside down? Because it says Billie Eilish. So yeah, these are the shoes that I just got. And then, oh, and what I do like, the front is like a weird, I guess that's her logo, which is kind of funny. Yeah, you can see that. So yeah, I like the shoes. I'm gonna be wearing these today. And then stay tuned for the next episode because I got the Holy Grail, one of the Holy Grails of Jordan. So stay tuned for that and we'll catch you guys next time.